Hello and welcome to this short clip introducing the latest updates to SOP Architect, the Mastersizer 3000 Plus's intelligent tool for automated method development. Back in 2024, when we first introduced SOP Architect, we allowed users to automate their stirrer speed and obscuration titrations. Well, now SOP Architect has upgraded and we're allowing users to take that one step further with ultrasound titrations, whether that be determining the optimum duration for those ultrasonics or the power that is involved. We're going to be able to help automate that all using SOP Architect. So if you come and join me over at the software, I'll talk you through how that is done. An ultrasound titration can now be applied to your method development process within the titration selection page. Select it individually or in combination with other titrations to suit your needs. And if you don't want or need to perform a titration, you can still specify the conditions for internal ultrasonics with the Mastersizer dispersion accessory or externally using a bath or ultrasonic probe. The introduction page for the ultrasound titration provides additional options for setup. For example, you can specify if your sample is fragile or prone to milling, and this will reduce the ultrasonics intensity from 100% to 50%. This is a great option for more delicate materials like pharmaceuticals. And if you want to perform your titration at even lower intensity, this is possible using the advanced options. When the titration starts, the measurement window will open and standard measurement setup steps such as alignment and background measurement are performed. You will then be directed to add sample to the dispersion accessory to achieve an obscuration within the recommended range. The titration will then take a series of measurements, firstly with no ultrasound being applied and then with a 30-second increment beyond that. A pre-measurement delay is applied in between application of ultrasound and measurement to allow any heat generated by the active sonication to dissipate. As the ultrasound titration is in progress, an algorithm is checking the particle size data to determine if the sample is fully dispersed. In this example, we can see the algorithm identified 60 seconds of ultrasound being suitable for the silica sample. Looking at the data, we can see particle size data is stable at all points beyond 60 seconds. The titration will also identify if after the 210 seconds of ultrasound, further action is required to achieve full adequate dispersion. For example, the application of sonication can lead to sample swelling or even particle attrition. In a different example, the data shows that the sample we measured has not reached stability. The software in this case presents to the user two options that they can select. One option is to repeat the titration at higher power, and the second is to use an external sonication probe or bath. In both cases, the software directs the user to suitable pages and instructions on what they should do. In all cases, SOP Architect enhances your method development experience. The new changes introduce a key step in method development and uses its user-friendly interface to deliver information which is most relevant to you. For more information, get in touch with your local Malvern Panalytical representative on how SOP Architect can help you with your samples and method development.